There was a man named Abraha Al-Habashi who ruled Yemen. He hated Islam and hated people going to the Kaaba for Hajj.
So he decided to demolish it and headed there with a great army.
So he gathered a great army.
At the forefront of this army was a great elephant.
He sent word to the people of Mecca that he hadn't come to fight, but to demolish the Kaaba.
When he arrived at the port, he asked to meet Abdul Muttalib, and when he met him, he threatened to demolish the Kaaba.
He told him the house had God protected. So Abraha came forward with the largest elephant in the army to demolish it. But God commanded the elephant, "Don't move." And he didn't move. And God sent birds with a burning stone. So they and his soldiers died as a result of his bad action. And God Almighty leveled surat al-Fil.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول